जैसा हम पहले भी बात करते रहते हैं, मिलिटेंसी डाउन है मगर आउट नहीं हुई है। इसमें अभी भी ऐसे अंसर शामिल हैं जो कहीं न कहीं जहां के अमन व अमान को खलल पहुंचाने की कोशिश करते हैं। उनके खिलाफ सख्ती से कार्रवाई की जा रही है। ये जवान जो कुछ दिन पहले जिसका मिसिंग का रिपोर्ट हमारे पास आया है, उसके लिए पुलिस, आर्मी और फोर्सेस की टुकड़ियां और बाकी जगह पे जिले पुलिस की कार्रवाई चल रही है। हम लोग उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो सही सलामत होना चाहिए, मगर अभी तक कोई ख़ास ठोस हमारे पास क्ल्यू नहीं है जिसकी बुनियाद पर हम कह सकें कि एक्चुअल ग्राउंड की पोजीशन क्या। कुछ एक बड़े इम्पोर्टेंट लीड्स मिले हैं जिसके ऊपर डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस अपना काम कर रही है, बाकी फोर्सेस भी काम कर रही हैं और उनके फर्दर जो है प्रोग्रेस के बाद ही उसके बारे में बात कर सकेंगे। तो लिसन टू माय स्पीच। आई हैव टोल्ड दैट द प्लेस कॉल्ड डाउनटाउन where people feared to visit, feared to go. Today our tourists come and they visit those places, appreciate the local business and the people living in those areas. Today I've seen the teams playing. The team from downtown has become the winner. You can see how things are changing on ground. As I said, today the boys and girls, they are more bothered about building their careers. They are more focused about carrying out their studies, preparing for the competitive exams, and I've seen very important results coming up. So I'm very sure that the boys and girls who are focused on their career and their studies will do much better. Situation in terms of law and order is much better. There is hardly any law and order scenario being seen today. Situation on terrorist front, anti-terrorist operations have been very successful. Number of terrorist active now is the all-time low. There is hardly any terrorist activity left. Tourist flow all over Jammu Kashmir is unprecedented. We having a mega event of Jatra going on. We also have Muharram processions going on for the first time in history. After 34 years of ban, downtown processions were also permitted. People cooperated peacefully. Co-terror have been busted and brought to book. We are working against the remaining elements also who are involved in the smuggling of narco and weaponry from across from Pakistan. There is some presence of foreign terrorists in South Kashmir. We have information about some of them, and we are working out certain operations, and I'm sure we'll be able to take action against them.